This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Update your iPhone and Apple Watch so compatibility is not an issue. Once done, install and sign into Strava on the iPhone and enable Bluetooth and always location permission. This lets the watch record GPS while your phone is nearby or not. Now open the iPhone Watch app and confirm Strava is listed for installation. If it's not, install it from the App Store. Make sure both devices are on the same Apple ID and Wi-Fi network. Next, you must grant precise permissions so data flows correctly. Go to iPhone settings and enable fitness tracking and allow Strava to access motion and fitness. Then open Strava, navigate to Settings Applications, Services and Devices, and select Apple Health to connect. In Apple Health, allow read and write for workouts, heart rate, active energy, and routes so Strava can record exercise and sync segments. Once permissions are granted, open Strava on the watch to confirm it can start and stop recordings. Now you record and confirm. Launch Strava on your Apple Watch and start an activity. Check that GPS lock and heart rate appear so your run is properly tracked. When you end the workout, wait 1 to 2 minutes for automatic sync. Then open Strava on your iPhone to verify distance, map, and heart rate logged. If syncing fails, reboot both devices, reauthorize Apple Health permissions, enable background app refresh for Strava, or reinstall the app. Most issues resolve after reauthorization or a restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.